Hey, it's Garrick. Welcome back to my channel. You just got a brand new Model 3 or Model Y and you're unsure how to use a climate control? Well, this video is going to show you how to use it. All right, let's go check it out. Let's start with clicking on the climate control. You could turn the system off by clicking the power button. As you can see, the temperature is grayed out, which is telling you the climate control is off. Click the climate control again and it will turn back on. The front cabin is automatically selected by default, and you can mix and match the airflow. You can combine them whichever makes you feel comfortable. Next, you can select the rear cabin. This is where you can turn the rear fan on and off. You can also turn on the rear heated seats. And you can adjust the heat level by pressing the seat. And you can turn all the heated seats off by pressing all off. This is where you could turn on the heated seats. You can adjust the heat level by clicking the icon. And auto works when the climate control is set in auto, which warms the front seats based on the cabin temperature. If your Tesla is equipped with a heating steering wheel, you can control it by clicking the icon. The auto setting is the same as the heated seats. If your Tesla is equipped with wiper defrosters, touch it to turn it on. Wipers defrost will be on for 30 minutes and will turn off automatically. The passenger heated seats has the same setting as the driver setting. I will go over camp, dog, and keep modes in a little bit. You can schedule your Tesla to be ready to be driven by preconditioning the battery and climate control. You can also do it in an app as well. If your Tesla is equipped with bioweapon defense mode, it has a HEPA filter which is effective at removing pollution and allergens and pollen. Both HEPA and secondary filtration system also contain activated carbon to remove odors and gases. This is where you can recirculate the air or get fresh air into your car. This is where you can adjust the fan, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. You can adjust by clicking the arrows or using the slider. You could turn the AC on and off, and turning it off saves energy. This turns on the rear defroster and will turn off automatically after 15 minutes. When the front defrost icon is blue, it will defog the windshield. Touch it the second time, it will defrost the windshield and turn the icon red. Touch auto will turn the auto setting on and off. Alright, let's check out these modes. For camp mode, car will stay on until battery reaches 20%. Sentry mode, security alarm, and walkway lock will be disabled. For dog mode, climate and screen will stay on after you exit. Opening windows from within the cabin will be disabled. Designed for pets, never leave a child unattended. For keep mode, climate will stay on after you leave the car. Will turn off when the battery reaches 20%. I found a similar chart on Not a Tesla's app website. This breaks down the features on all the modes. I will have a link in my description for you to download. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you are in the market for a Tesla, use my referral link to get up to $1,000 off your purchase. If you have any questions or want me to go over anything, please leave a comment below. Alright everyone, I'll catch you all on the road and be safe.